Okay, wait. Okay, one on the left. Where's the other one? One over there. Okay. Spider right there. Okay. No, that's not good. That's not good. Okay, I'm gonna go. We're gonna go and we're gonna run towards right side, maybe. If anything, like over here. Maybe I should fight with the iron axe. Catch him in the boat? What? Which one? You can't catch a creeper or a spider, right? Oh, you mean him? Well, the boat is occupied. Hi. Hi. You can? Creepers and spiders, you can catch them in a boat? Really? I've never seen anyone do that, I think. Oh, come on! Oh, come on! Kula. Please. Kula. Help. Go out the back. Make back door. Okay, I'm gonna go through. But what if there's something there too? There's a high chance that there's something there. Oh, that leads to... Okay. The red house. Yeah, a bit. Oh. Oh. Okay, wait, that's... Can I... If I touch him... No. Here, I'm here. No, don't go up there. Hey! Hold on, maybe I should have put a block there so he can't go down. I'm never gonna... No! I'm just destroying everything! よくないね。みんな死んだね。But it's okay. We can get everything back. For sure. Ooh. Oh my god!
Hello!
Gula!
Boo!
I've been through some crazy stuff already.
Did you survive? Did you die?
Barely survived. All of our villagers are dead.
What happened?
Oops, sorry, cat. Well, I was like overwhelmed by enemies. And I had to run around, and there was really a lot. And then there were some zombies in the room that we made for the villagers.
Oh.
And I couldn't save them. I couldn't.
Build in a basement.
Yeah, a basement to put you in when you're naughty.
What have I done?
Your homework was not satisfactory.
What homework? Do we have homework?
The diaries, but everybody just wrote like one sentence. I mean, you made a meme, which was funny.
What? Fair. You read my diary though?
Yeah, of course.
Did it make you blush?
It was funny. It was certainly
Did you
funny.
like it? It made you blush?
I liked it because I learned something from it, but I still gave you an F because in terms of diary and being like a good follow-up of what you have done, it was not good.
That's subjective. That is entirely subjective.
Gimme. This is Gooba, Goobity-ba. You guys don't know yet what they wrote in there because they didn't stream it. How do you read this? There. Let's go. Day 1, Batman. I caught I caught a little dolphin. Do you want to know what I caught? What did you catch, Gura? I caught a dolphin, Kiara. I caught a dolphin. Oh no, Gura, don't. Goobity-ba. I'm giving you an F on your homework. It's funny, but you gotta tell me... Okay, maybe in this case it doesn't matter, actually. The first day it didn't matter. But the next day better actually tell me what you did. And I understand now. I understand fully now that it was a meme. Hey, yo, what's with this horse? Why is it green? Zombie horse. There's zombie horses?
A zombie horse.
What? Wait, chat is also impressed. Why? They're very rare. They don't spawn naturally. Oh, so do they have to be made by a zombie? We have to treasure this one.
He's an undead.
First time I've seen one. Okay, so I'm not the only one. Oh, they don't spawn in vanilla. Wow. Creative mode. Creative mode only. Oh, so it's like, even if we have a horse and a zombie, it doesn't happen that easily, huh? I can't catch him. Chat, give us the knowledge of how to capture zombie horse. Yeah, maybe he does like zombie flesh.
Kiss it.
Try
Kiss
it, try it.
and love it and compliment it.
We're gonna put it on the grave of the Ender Dragon. What? What happens? What?
Oh.
Why? Oh. What does he look like?
Ran
this?
away. Coward.
Do Endermen always look like this? Like with a pattern?
Pattern?
He has a pattern. Is that
Where?
normal?
I think so. Probably just never noticed before.
Yeah, it didn't.
There's another one in here.
No way, no way I never noticed that the one inside looked normal to me.
Yeah, this one
Oh
doesn't
no,
have a
never
pattern.
mind. Never mind!
Oh.
I've never noticed. Okay.
When was the last time you went to the eye doctor?
I think the last time my eyesight got checked is when I did the health test for my Lufthansa cabin attendant audition. It had a random crazy lore. I was before Holo. I told this story before, but before Holo, I was supposed to work for Lufthansa as a cabin attendant.
Oh.
I made the audition. They were gonna take me, but I failed the health test. But it's kind of like I shouldn't have failed it. There was no reason for me to fail it. But yeah, they checked my eyesight there, but my eyesight was fine. My eyes were good.
Oh!
Yahoo! It's so dark. Oh!
Wait, look at that!
Yeah! Now we have the portal there. Wait, oh my god, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only... This is pretty good.